Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing hardware and network. You need the right cable and access credentials. Plug the DVR into power, then connect its Ethernet port to your laptop or to the same switch. Once done, assign your laptop an IP on the DVR subnet so you can reach its web interface. Make sure to disable Wi-Fi to avoid routing conflicts. You should also have a USB capture device and HDMI if you prefer a direct video feed. Write down the default admin login for next. Now configure how you will view video, network streaming or direct capture. If using the network, log into the DVR web UI, switch to a static IP or confirm DHCP lease, and change the admin password, then enable RTSP or HTTP streaming and note the port. If using an HDMI to USB capture device, plug HDMI out from DVR into the capture, install drivers, and open your capture app. Make sure stream codec and resolution match your player, otherwise you will see stutter or blank frames. Finish by testing playback on your laptop. Paste the RTSP or HTTP stream into VLC, or select the USB capture device in your recorder app. Adjust latency and buffering for smooth video. Once done, secure remote access by adding port forwarding on your router or using the vendor's cloud service, and change default credentials. If something goes wrong, first check one key troubleshooting item: cable and IP mismatch, verify physical cable, link lights, and that your laptop IP is on the same subnet. This fixes most connectivity failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.